Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can redeem gift card on Nike app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, it's a very easy method, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now what you're going to be doing is you're going to be opening up your app and tapping on sign in or sign up accordingly. Once you have done them both, your app will be opened, and from the home section you have to make sure you add some products to your cart for you to go to the checkout. Because if you want to simply redeem your gift card, you have to go to the checkout section. Now go ahead, go to the checkout section, make sure you have entered your correct address and confirmed it. Then go ahead and select your payment method. The app simply accepts a variety of payment methods, which includes debit and credit card and the gift cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, and Klarna. So from these options, we're going to choose the gift card option, gift card / voucher option. From over here, check out the gift card that you have received. Can be a physical gift card, can be a digital gift card. Go ahead, check out the code of your gift card and enter the code. Make sure to check it twice so it's the correct one. Then tap on a redeem option, which will be given at the bottom or sometimes on the side. Tap on the redeem and your gift card will be redeemed, and with that you can simply purchase your product from the app itself, which you have simply gone through the checkout for. That's how easy it is for you to purchase it, and that is it. So I hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in our next video.